आरोही इवेंट्स प्रेजेंट स्टाइल स्वारे, जिसमें आपको कलेक्शन में बहुत ही सुंदर आभास ज्वेलरी के बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस, इंडो वेस्टर्न वेडिंग कलेक्शन, काफ्तान्स एंड ब्यूटीफुल ऑप्शंस इन बैग्स एंड क्लचेस to complement it all. They also have potli bags in different variety and color options, crochet potli bags as well, and to complement this entire look, a variety of comfortable Dr. Soul footwear to go with all your outfits. All this is happening on the 30th and 31st of October at Reflection Gallery, so don't forget to check them out. They have beautiful options in tableware also, and to complement all these looks, they have variety of jewelry from fusion, wedding wear, and a lot more. So swipe left to see the collection. This is brand Table Toe, and they are here with their beautiful collection of footwear, and as you know, they are taking care of your comfort. So this is Dr. Soul, which will not trouble your back at all. उसमें भी बहुत सुंदर collection है उनके पास. They also have these beautiful clutch bag options. इसमें भी बहुत सारी variety है उनके पास. Look at the beautiful jutti style loafers. They have hand embroidered pieces. They also have something like this, an open sliders. तो अगर आपको ऐसा कुछ चाहिए, you want something in block heels, they have options of that here too. Wedding collection, थोड़ा routine semi festive collection if you want, something in flat if you want something like this, they have options here as well. If you want in platform heels, they have options in that also. Along with that, उनके पास बहुत सुंदर tableware के बहुत सारे options आप देख रहे हैं. This is all vegetable dyed and very safe for your family to use. This is brand Arohi Gems and Jewels. Yes, ma'am.
Hello. So happy New Year to all. And we have this beautiful wedding collection this time. Some small chokers.
Okay.
To some statement jewelry.
Okay.
Some long jewelry. These are all destination wedding jewelry on imitation.
Okay.
Some statement pieces like these.
Beautiful.
We have lots of bracelets. These are all bracelets. Earrings, only earrings.
Lovely. Okay.
This is all American diamond.
All American diamond.
Some small earrings, some fusion and Indian combination with a twist.
Okay.
Only bangles.
Okay.
And these are sets. These are only neck pieces.
Beautiful options.
And this is all wedding jewelry. Destination wedding jewelry.
This is all destination wedding jewelry that you're seeing. Just look at the variety. Beautiful.
Hello, the brand name is Kishori Creation. We have wedding wear.
Okay.
Yes, we can customize it also as well.
All
These are the three-piece set.
Okay.
Then we have some drape sarees.
Drape saree options as well. Okay.
Something like this.
Yes.
Then we have some kaftan sets.
Kaftan sets also.
We do have sizes in this.
Okay. They do have sizes as well.
Something like this.
Okay. Something in three-piece Indo-Western look.
Something in anarkali.
Okay. Anarkali look if you want. Color blocking के साथ red and pink. Okay, very pretty. Kurta set options भी हैं. And they also have casual options here for your everyday routine daily wear. Okay.
Yes.
Alright. So these are all three-piece kurta suit options. This is something like a. This is brand Krupa's Creation, and they are here with their beautiful Indo-Western wedding collection. So as you can see, quad set में बहुत ही सुंदर options हैं. Color options भी हैं. Beautiful. Look at that. If you want something like this, in options पूरा color contrast के साथ, monochrome look के साथ, they have options in that too. Beautiful kurta set options. Look at that. Very pretty. All right. Wow. Look at that. Okay. So something like this. Alright, if you want more set options, beautiful options in that, color options आपको बहुत सारे मिल जाएंगे. This is brand Amari Creations. Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
Yes. So they are here with their beautiful options in different pieces. You can get it customized also. If you want to get your own fabric, you can get your own fabric, and पूरा जो work है वो आपके fabric पे भी हो जाएगा. This is all Marodi work, right, ma'am?
Yes, Marodi, Ari Tikki, Moti,
Okay.
all handwork we are doing.
All handwork.
Catwalk and handwork.
Catwalk and handwork. Look at the beautiful options that they have.
This is Marodi.
Okay. This is Marodi work. Okay.
This is Moti Tikki.
This is Moti Tikki. Okay. They also have beautiful options in Abhas. So let's check out Abhas
This
as
is
well.
Jardozi.
Okay. This is Jardozi. Look at that. Beautiful. Very pretty. Continuing with Arohi Gems and Jewels. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so these are all fusion jewelry
Okay.
and semi-formal and western wear also.
Okay.
We can use it for some small functions, office wear jewelry.
Beautiful. Just look at that.
I have some few pieces of silver look like
Okay.
finger rings, statement earrings, only on brass. These are all earrings on brass. These are all serving spoons, all decorative serving spoons for gifting. It's on stainless steel
Okay.
and brass. These are all fusion jewelry. Only
look at
neck pieces for gifting. Some tie knots.
Look at that.
Yeah, they all start from 1500, 1200
Okay.
onwards.
Look at that. Very unique, very beautiful.
Those are brooches.
Okay. These are all brooches.
Sari pins, brooches.
Wow. Lovely. Continuing with brand Amari Creations, beautiful options in Abhas. Look at that. Very pretty. Look at the color combination.
If customer wants, we can do walk also.
Okay, so if you want to get handwork done on these pieces, A options be available here. Just look at that. All classic combinations. Beautiful options.
Black and it's red in
Yes,
bandage.
absolutely. Look at that.
This is work done.
So
Marodi
this is how
work
the
done.
work is done on it. Okay.
This is full bandage.
This is full
All over
bandage.
bandage.
In potli bags here. You can also order in bulk. They do these bulk orders as well. Wedding favors के लिए options. So you will get a set of 3 जिसमें आपको the tote bag, the small pouch and the sunglass case. And उसमें भी they have loads of options. These are all washable options. Let me